So how it works is, let's say I have selected the first date as 7th April and I'm selecting the second date as a 28th April. So you can see based on the selected date range, the graph has been updated. Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Dose. My name is Vishal. Some of our loving subscriber asked if we can update the graph based on a selection of date range from the drop down. So I thought let's create a video on the same topic. So in today's video, I will show you how you can update a graph based on a date range selected from these drop down. So let's get started with the video. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to our channel. So as you can see, I have a raw data which contains a week-wise data for clicks as well as for the impression. Now, first we have to create here two drop down. To create a drop down, what we need to do is we have to simply click on the data, then click on data validation, then click on add rule, and for the criteria we have to select drop down from a range, and then we have to select our range. For the range I will select this complete range where we have all the week number. Now we have to simply click on OK, then click on done. Similarly, we have to create a second drop down. For that again we'll select the cell B4 and then click on add rule, and for the criteria we'll select drop down from range, and similarly again we have to select the same range, then click on OK, then click on done. So now you can see we have created a two drop down here. So now based on these two drop down we should get the data here. For that what we need to do is first we'll select here the week 1 and then we'll select the week 3. So now we have to populate the data based on these two date range. For that what we need to do is we have to use here the function called filter, and here the first argument is range. For the range I will select this complete range, then here the second argument is condition. So our first condition is week data is greater than or equal to this date, and then similarly we have to apply the second condition. Second condition is weeks data is less than or equal to second date range, and then press the enter button. So now you can see based on these two date range we are getting the data. So if I change this to 28th April, so you can see based on my selection I am getting the data here. Now we have to create a graph here. To create a graph what we need to do is we have to select this data and then click on insert, then click on chart. So now first we have to change the title here. So I will mention the title as business performance. So now we have to change the chart type. So I will change the chart type to column chart, and now you can see based on our selection the data has been updated. So now we have to remove these axes. To remove this axis simply just click on these axes and then uncheck this particular major grid line. If you want major ticks for the vertical, so simply tick mark this one, and similarly you can update for the horizontal axis also. And now we have to show here the data labels. To show the data labels we have to simply click on series, and then if you scroll down you will see here the option called data labels. So now you can see data labels has been updated. So now if I change the date range here to the 14th April, so now you can see based on my selection the graph has been updated. So this is how you can populate the graphs based on a date range selected from the drop down. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to Excel Dose. Thank you so much for watching.